That's it. That's it.
It's big.
I am a queen, baby. I am a queen.
Give me the brown one. Let me hold for you to. Try my name, mommy. Is powder, yes or no?
Yes, darling.
It's good for under your eye. Make your eye to be light. Make your light to be eye, like light, under your eye. Snip, snip, snip. I a makeup artist.
Yes. Just to watch what I'm.
What color is it? Brown. It's brown, mommy. What?
It's reddish for blush.
Hi guys, so my mom starts doing the eyebrows. Eyebrows with a new nice pencil for the eyebrow, that's thing, so that we call. What is that you're putting? Mommy, what is that you're putting? So my mommy doesn't want to make the eyebrows to be like, not like slightly like. We got to take the brush to. So my mommy does take, you don't take concealer, take foundation.
So I just went on with the concealer.
Hello.
And I'm using this fluffy brush to blend. So to blend, I'm just pressing, tapping. I'm not dragging.
You're dragging.
So I'll just do that. You can use eyeshadow base. So just make sure that it's all smooth and well blended. Our fluffy brush. So we'll just go with this dark. I don't know if we can say it's pink or it's purple. Just here, and we'll tape it out. Then we're going to
Did you put pink?
And we're going to dab it.
Which color did you put?
Lightly. Then we're going to take again here.
And also take that one.
Then we dab it. Then lightly we go. Okay.
Then when I take this after this.
Wait.
I want this one. What?
Dab it. Then we're going to do like we are going like outer V. Let's go with this one.
Goldy.
So this powder is shimmery like this. It's shining one. So that's the one we're going to just swipe inside. Just on the lid. So make it a soft cut crease. Then just extend it a little bit to my tear dot.
That look pretty, Mommy.
Just like this. Then we go with our liner. Eyes.
What did you put? I put a what? Eyebrow pencil. Ne?
Then we are going with the same purple again here. The same pink.
It's not. Where are you putting it? Down.
Yeah.
You're putting it down. Wait. Up, and down. Yes. Up and up.
Mascara.
What
We're
is
not
that?
gonna put eyelash. We're not gonna put eyelash.
Why you don't want to put eyelash growing? Excuse me now. You speak Shona. You speak Shona. You speak Shona, Mommy. Speak Shona, ne, Mommy. You speak Shona. I say you speak Shona.